Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Kamran and in today's video I will teach you what is chemistry. So without wasting any further time, let's move towards the video. So let's get started. And remember one thing, if you are new to the channel, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon also, and don't forget to like the video. So let's move towards the topic. So first we talk about what is chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the study about matter. In chemistry, we analyzing the structure of matter, properties of matter and behavior of matter, and see what happens they change in chemical reactions. Okay, so now there is a one question, that is what is matter. So I will explain you in detail what is matter. Anything which has mass and occupy space is called matter. For example, I have this pen. This pen carries some weight and occupy approx 20 centimeter of space. So due to these properties, because this pen have a certain mass and occupy certain space, so due to this property, this pen is the best example of matter. Okay, now move towards the best example of chemistry. So the best example of chemistry is water. Okay, so I have a water. The chemical formula of water is H2O. H2O means two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen, but at normal temperature and pressure both hydrogen and oxygen are gases. Okay, when we combine two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen, it's become water. So what we understand, when we combine one matter of X element and one element of Y element, when we combine together, the chemical changes react together and the new composition, which is called water, is made. So hope you guys understanding what is chemistry and what is matter. If you guys like this video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So today's videos is end. Now we will meet you in next video. So take care and goodbye.